Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to crochet a flower coaster with a pot. First we are going to make a coaster. So I'm going to start with a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your two fingers like this. Then take this out. Insert your hook into this ring and grab this working yarn and pull it like this. Then hold it from here and make a chain. So here is the magic ring. Now I'm going to make 2 chains. Then into the ring I'm going to make 12 double crochets. So yarn over, insert your hook into the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. So this is the first double crochet that we made. Yarn over, insert your hook into the ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Just like that we are going to make total of 12 double crochets. After making 12 double crochets I'm going to close the ring. And then on the top of the first double crochet I'm going to make a slip stitch. So this is the chains that we made and this is the first double crochet. So I'm going to insert my hook and make a slip stitch. Here we complete our first round. Now we are going to start with the second round. Make 3 chains. Into each of the stitch I'm going to make an increase, that is 2 double crochet. So on the top of each of the double crochet I'll make 2 double crochet stitches. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch and make 2 double crochets. Into the next stitch make 2 double crochets. Just like that you'll have to complete this whole round. At the end of this round you're going to have 24 double crochets. After completing this round, on the top of the first double crochet I'm going to make a slip stitch. So here we completed our second round. Now I'm going to start third round. Make 3 chains. In this round I'm going to make 1 double crochet and 1 increase. So in the first stitch I'm going to make 1 double crochet. Then into the next one I'm going to make 2 double crochets. You'll have to repeat this for this whole round. At the end of this round you're going to have 36 double crochets in total. On the top of the first stitch I'll make slip stitch. Now I'm going to start with fourth round. So we'll make 3 chains. Then into the same stitch I'm going to make 1 double crochet. Into the next stitch make 1 double crochet. And into the next stitch I'm going to make 2 double crochets. So you'll have to repeat this. Into the next stitch make 1 double crochet, into the next stitch make 1 double crochet, and then into the next stitch make an increase, that is 2 double crochets. So at the end of this round you're going to have 48 stitches in total. At the top of the first chain I'm going to make a slip stitch. Then I'm going to cut the yarn. Then using the yarning needle I'm going to hide the ends. Then I'll also hide this loose end. Now I'm going to insert my hook into any of the stitch, and then I'm going to take the green yarn, place it like this, yarn over, pull up a loop and make a chain. Make one more chain. Into the same stitch make 1 double crochet. Make 2 chains. then yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Now you have 2 loops, yarn over again, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 4 stitch, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Now you have 3 stitches, yarn over and pull through all of them. This is what you'll have to make for this whole round. Now I'm going to skip next 2 stitches. So 1 and 2, I'm going to skip this 2 stitch and into this stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through first 2 loops, then yarn over, again insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through first 2 loops. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all of them. Now make 2 chains, yarn over and insert your hook into the same space, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through all of them. Now repeat this for this whole round. Now I'm going to make slip stitch on the top of the chain that we made. Just make a chain and cut the yarn. Now we'll start making roses. I'm going to start with a slip knot. Insert your hook into it. Now I'm going to make 8 chains. Now I'm going to skip 2 chains. Skip the first 2 chains. This is the 1 and 2. So I'm going to skip these 2 chains, yarn over and insert your hook into the third chain. So this is the third chain. Insert your hook there, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. So we just made 1 half double crochet. Make 1 more half double crochet into the same stitch, yarn over into the next chain, this one. I'm going to make 3 half double crochets, just like that. Make 3 half double crochet into all of these chains. After doing this, now I'm going to make a chain and then I'll cut the thread. I'm going to cut it this long. Now I'm going to use the yarning needle. First I'm just going to give it a nice curl look. Then I'll use the needle and I'm going to insert my hook from here, needle from here. Now I'm going to attach the flower to the coaster, so I'm going to use the yarning needle. Here into this part I'm going to insert my hook. Just like that, make all the flowers. For the base of the pot, you'll have to follow the same instructions that we used to make the base of the coaster. So repeat row 1 to 4 and then I'll see you. So I've made base of the pot. Now we'll have to work upwards. So make 2 chains and then we're going to work into the back loops of all of these stitches. So yarn over, insert your hook into the same space in the back loop of that stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. So we made 1 double crochet. Make 1 double crochet into the back loops of all of the stitches. After completing the round on the top of the first stitch, I'm going to make a slip stitch. Now make 2 chains. Then into the top of all of the stitches, I'm going to make 1 double crochet. So insert your hook into the same space and make 1 double crochet. Just like that, make 1 double crochet into all of the stitches. After completing the round, I'm going to make slip stitch on the top of the first double crochet. Make a chain and then I'm going to cut the thread. Then I'm going to hide all these loose ends. I hope you liked this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching the video.